This case, Tharlok Chand Khanna versus Rajkumar Kapoor, deals with a removal of directors, which can be applicable under sections 169 of the Companies Act 2013 New Syllabus. The case basically pertains to removal of directors. The case law mentions that except those category of directors which are stated as non-removable under the present 169 or the earlier law, that is the directors appointed by the tribunal and the directors appointed under the proportional representation route, except these two category of directors, any directors can be removed by the shareholders by passing an ordinary resolution with a special notice. The case law emphasizes that even though directors who are stated as permanent directors in the articles of association can be removed by shareholders. I'll repeat again, except those directors who are mentioned as non-removable under the law, that is the present law is section 169 of Companies Act 2013, except these two categories of directors which are stated as non-removable under the Companies Act, any other director can be removed by the shareholders. Not only that, even directors who are mentioned as not removable and stated as permanent directors in the articles of association can be removed by the shareholders by the provisions which is being empowered under 116 of the Companies Act 2013. The case law gives predominance to the shareholders' power to remove the directors. I conclude that except those directors which are specifically stated in the Companies Act as not removable, any other directors can be removed by the shareholders, even though such directors who are named as or designated as permanent directors in the articles of association and even specifically stated as non-removable can be removed by the shareholders by passing an ordinary resolution with special notice in an extraordinary general meeting.